everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. This car has 3 miles on a complete body-up restoration. Gorgeous car. This is a cool color. This is sunset red. It's got the black vinyl interior on it. Great car, guys. This car actually, it's a friend of mine. I guess this car was originally completely disassembled and was in the process of a restoration. I guess a gentleman passed away. A buddy of mine bought it, and he said most of the car was actually assembled and done, but he had to do a lot of assembly on the car. But most of the restoration, he said, was actually done when he bought it, so all he did was kind of complete the assembly. Great car. Again, 3 miles on the car since it's been done. And when you look underneath this car, they've had the subframe out with all new body bushings, all new brake lines. I mean, they had this car totally apart. It's got shiny black floors on it. You can put mirrors underneath the car. So again, I'm sure there's going to be some shakedown to the car because it just doesn't have any miles on the resto. But very, very nicely done car. Front and rear spoilers. Got the cowl hood. I saw one little stone. There's maybe a couple little stone pecks you can find, but really slick paint on the car. And like I say, unfortunately, the gentleman who started this restoration, he has passed away. All new glass. Just a pretty car. Nice and straight down the side, sits good. Brand new 18-inch American Racing torque thrust all the way around it. Brand new rubber. Sorry, trash blowing around here around the parking lot. Again, you look underneath that car, it is brand stinking new. Power front disc brakes. Really cool color. If I had to describe it, like a purplish red color. It has a blueprint crate engine in it. It's a 3D3 stroker motor, 425 horse. Holley Performance 4-barrel. You can see it's got a polished air gap intake. All serpentine pulley system with billet pulleys. Ceramic headers. Again, it's got blueprint aluminum heads. HEI distributor. I think it's got power front disc brakes. It's got a Muncie close ratio 4-speed manual transmission, aluminum radiator with electric fan, and detailed up. Real nice, guys. Yeah, it's a cool color, really different. New door handles, new chrome mirrors, all new interior. Factory bucket seats, Hurst shifter, sports steering wheel. Yeah, 3 miles. Factory dash, get some aftermarket gauges. Now, you see there's no radio in there. I've ordered a new radio. We will install that. It's a new Retrosounds radio. I'll have the digital face on it. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a 10-bolt 355 limited slip rear axle. Yeah, look how, I mean, even the spackle paint, it's brand new in there. I mean, this car is nice. Look how nice the bottom is. New fuel tank, I mean. Door seams are nice and clean. Seats have been all redone, repadded, refoamed, new carpet. And again, we will hook up that that radio. It's on the way. Again, I'm leaving out of town. I don't want to not advertise it. Nice little cam to it. The car is nice, man. Sound sits good. Fuel gauge works. Good old pressure. Doesn't look like the voltmeter's hooked up. I'll have Mike take a look at that. Again, I'm sure there's going to be some shakedown to the car. We have to check this. Is a temp gauge hooked up? We'll have to check that too. Again, definitely holding good old pressure. Everything opens and closes nice. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That's a nice car. Our plates loose. Easy, Nathan. That's got to be a brand new motor. I don't know how many miles they got on it.